We're gonna do a tank view. It's probably gonna set off the hand dryer. I have a feeling this will set off the hand dryer. Let's see if I can sit it here. It's as good as it'll get, I think. It's about as good as it'll get. Let's see if I can do this without sitting off the hand dryer. I'm gonna be a bit careful with this lid because it's wet. Made in USA. Eljer 3. Eljer 1.6 gallons, 6 liters. Looks like the original flapper. And it says 1911, which is... I probably have to set that. April 98. April 98. 15 April 98. Mark IV. Alright. Here we go. Says something. I can't read it. Probably Eljer, I would say. It looks original. Has the office stable ring in the tank. This is the one, the right bathroom. I was hoping to find an old toilet this month, but I guess that's not gonna happen. I think this is the only bathroom here. Unless there's one I missed. This is the only one in the bath. Let's see if we can hold this firmly.